Hi, I'm HG, spokesperson for this channel. Thank you for joining us. Today's video is dedicated to women of a certain age who love online shopping and have fallen in love with a certain app. Everyone takes Amazon seriously, but the free new Temu app is just fun, sweetie. There's a sense of irreverence and humor to what you discover using it. Of course there are bargains, but you can't overlook the fun. Who doesn't love a mystery box? Who doesn't love bargains? Who doesn't love not paying retail prices? These ladies have been shopping for a lifetime, maybe longer than even your parents were born, but they're still hip enough to check out the Temu app. And so should you. These natural older ladies jumped on this deal we're offering, and so should you. It's an amazing offer we're happy to provide for viewers of this channel. But act fast, darlings, they can always end it. Thank you for watching, my darlings, and be sure to become a subscriber. It just takes a few seconds, sweetie, which helps to support our channel, at no additional cost to you. Be sure to shop responsibly. Until next time. Toodles.